Hi guys, welcome to Digital Rakesh channel. So today we discuss topic about that. So any kind of website creating for cPanel, then mean by control panel. So purpose of control panel to access the complete website in this cPanel option. Like you can creating for email account, number of will be you can using for cPanel. Suppose if you're creating for cPanel, suddenly the cPanel will be is not working the website, the website will be expired, something else will be going on. How to remove the cPanel using Web Hosting Manager. That is mean by shortcut name WHM. Any kind of reseller hosting, each website cPanel remove from WHM. That is only possible by the reseller hosters who will be purchasing for reseller hosting. They will remove from website cPanel from WHM Web Hosting Manager. In this one, how to remove? You can log in for WHM, selecting for specific site, click for additional option. In this, we have showing for two options, suspend and terminate. Yes, I'm saying for two options it will be visible, not like that. They're showing for change password, contact email, and change quota, plan, everything will be showing here. If you want to remove, the option name is called terminate account. This mean by terminate account. That mean by complete the cPanel will be removed from the WHM. When cPanel remove time, we have to log out the particular cPanel. After that, just you have to click for terminate. You have to cross verification. Just terminate. When terminate time is showing for username, you have to confirm it. After that, when terminate, your complete details removed from global wise, web wise, and your complete details will be removed and files removed from WHM. If you remove by cPanel, backup will be there into the WHM. Will be record the file. Complete WHM through website will be removed. Complete information. That is called terminate your account. So now I'm going to the which one? Terminate your account. Just I'm clicking for terminate account. Is a completely remove account will be where using WHM. That is mean by which one purchasing reseller hosting. The domain details will be given by the cPanel removed from WHM. So finally, here will be given by the any option will be here. So previous is there. Now is a no website will be found in the particular WHM. So this is the policy we have to follow this in the WHM panel. If anyone asking question, if you are reseller hosting, how to remove the cPanel? The remove cPanel from WHM Web Hosting Manager. Follow these instructions and creating remove everything will belongs to WHM Web Hosting Manager that belongs to for reseller hosting. So for this any inquiry needed, so which reseller will be better, that all will be needed by the next video. Please watch the video for entire, and this will be Digital Rakesh. Please like, share, subscribe our channel into the more update video purpose.